Wait, you heard of Caparoni?
TJ the chef?
Bro, like y'all gotta pick a
This
side,
guy ain't
man.
said any player not
No,
named KD.
I'm telling y'all
Any
facts.
player that's not
Bro,
named
James
KD.
Harden is great, but James Harden's not winning nothing. He did win anything.
90% of players don't win.
Y'all are mad.
90
You got your hand on your head. He give you nothing. Put your hand on your head. He cover your head. Bro, James Harden do nothing for y'all. Nothing.
James Harden
Nothing.
is a
He
moron.
did nothing for you. Nothing.
Now,
You got nothing.
Let's keep it a buck.
You got
Let's keep it a
nothing.
buck, all right?
Oh my God, you got MVP. Who
TJ,
cares?
No,
You
listen,
ain't get no ring.
listen, right?
listen,
Hey, let me stop talking, all right?
Listen.
TJ, Harden, he
Hater.
ran into a very tough Warriors team, lost CP3, all right?
Yes.
Point guard.
Yes.
At the time, top 5, top 7 in the
Yes.
league, whatever, right?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
Hold on. Let him talk. Go ahead.
Right? Lose CP3,
Okay.
and inevitably lose the series, right?
Okay.
They missed 27 3-pointers, and there was still the 9 points of scoring, right?
TJ, that game.
By the third quarter,
It was,
by the third
bro,
quarter,
it was
they were
a
down.
series of unfortunate events, and I'm
No.
I'm biased, but I have to go hard pass.
Bro, like I hate that y'all do that.
That was one game.
Because y'all be lying to yourselves. Y'all look in a mirror.
What are
lying
you trying to
yourself.
say that Harden?
Listen,
didn't
Harden
accomplish
was
anything?
great. Harden was great. Don't get me wrong.
Okay.
He balled. Numbers
Okay.
were amazing.
Okay.
But when it came down to the most important thing, getting to that final step, getting to a championship,
Okay.
he was not there. He was
We
not
had
there. We
series
did not.
of unfortunate
Bro, we
events.
had a series of players. We had a series of everything for 8 years. And this is what can you show me for 8 years?
Hey, what's
That's like
that-
going to
hey,
school
hold on,
for
hold
8 years
on, hold on,
and you
hold on.
literally come out with no degree. What are you showing?
Hold on, Zeki,
Nothing.
ask him this question.
You
What's
get
the common
nothing. You
theme
literally went
between
to
all the
school and came
championships
up
in the
with
past
nothing.
10 years? They all have what? 2 star players, right? Am I right? In their prime. They always have 2 players
In
that
the
are
last
their
how many
prime.
years?
In the last what? 8 years, 7 years?
Okay.
It's always been either LeBron and Kyrie or LeBron and Dwayne Wade,
Steph, Clay,
Steph and Clay, Steph and
KD.
Durant. Harden had who? 35. What is he? 33 years old? CP3? 34.
34, I think.
Yeah, was he injured off a hamstring too? Right. All right, stop it.
All right, so we had a great first episode. A lot of hot takes, a lot of controversies, some bold statements made.
Some cappers, a
some
lot of
cappers,
cappers out
a lot
here.
of caps.
A lot of cappers out here. Listen to this, man.
TJ brought some heavy Houston energy that has never been.
I hate
Hater
the-
energy.
I hate the Houston energy.
Bad energy.
It's cap. It's cap. They're
Hudson
fake.
Davis-
Their
Hudson
love is
Davis,
fake.
great facts. Shaw was eating donuts for majority
Look,
of the episode.
LA Lakers.
Not too much
Mark
energy.
my words. Closing statement.
He just became a
2021
Lakers fan.
NBA Finals MVP LeBron James.
Facts,
2021
facts,
NBA
facts,
Championship LA Lakers.
Closing statement: Lakers versus Nets in the finals. LeBron's getting MVP, Finals MVP. He's about to shut out Kevin Durant and
Hey,
shit
and
himself.
my closing statement, I pray to God you bet the dogs on this Poirier.
And I pray to God you get him some socks ASAP.
TJ,
All right.
closing statement. Hit him with a closing statement.
I don't have a closed statement. Houston people are cap.
All right.
Man, shut your ass. Damn.
All right.
Make love.
Bet the mortgage on Connor. Stay tuned in. We'll see y'all for
All right.
episode 2.
Episode 1. Let's go, boys.